I'm going to show you how to complete a running record after logging into your Raz-Kids account. So once you log in, you'll click your name, type in your password, and when you get to this screen, there's going to be something that says flight check. You want to click on the flight check if it's there. If it's not there, you can go to your reading room and continue reading books like you normally would. But if you see a flight check, you need to click it. The flight check is going to be your running record assessment. You'll earn 300 stars for completing it. You're going to click the record button.
It will take up to 15 minutes to complete all 3 steps of this assignment. If you do not have time to complete the assignment, stop now and come back to the computer later.
Okay, like she said, it's going to take about 15 minutes to complete this assignment. I'm not going to take that full time to show you how to do it. I'm going to kind of zoom through it just to give you an idea of what to do. But to fully complete the assignment, it will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going to click yes, we have time. You're going to begin recording. It's automatically going to start recording when you open this page. Your job is to read the story. You're reading it out loud so that I can hear you. I want a leopard. I want to own a leopard, but my mom says I can't. A leopard would be the best pet in the world. She says my leopard would grow really big. I tell her I could ride it to school every day. She thinks it would destroy all of my things. I think she's scared. I think she is scared it would tear up her chairs. No one would be mean to a boy who has a leopard. My mom says a leopard would sneak on me. My mom says a leopard would snack on me in my sleep. I don't think I want to own a leopard. When you're finished, click your pause button up here and then click done.
Retell in your own words what you just read. Tell as much as you can remember. Click record to begin.
During this part, I don't want you to just retell me the story like it's about a boy who wants a leopard. I want you to tell me details. I want you to sequence the story and tell me step by step what the story was about. When you're ready to start telling me, you click record. This story was about a boy who wanted a leopard. His mom didn't want him to have the leopard. His mom thought that the leopard would eat her chairs. His mom thought that the leopard would try to eat him. So on and so forth. Tell details about the story. And then when you're finished, click pause. And then come down here and click done. Now it's going to ask you questions about the story. Okay? Some of you might be able to click here and it will read the question to you, and you can click the answers and it will read the answers to you. Some of you might have to just read who is the I in the story. Okay, so I, when the story's saying I want a leopard, who is I? So I would say, is the mom I, is the leopard I, or is the boy I? You choose your answer and click next. You go through all of the questions, choose an answer, and click next. I'm not even reading the questions, so I don't know if these answers are correct or not, but you would read each question, choose the correct answer.
You have completed your 3-step assignment. You earned 300 stars.
Okay. Once you have finished all 3 of those steps, reading the story, retelling the story, and then answering the comprehension questions, you are finished with the benchmark and you can click home. As you see, the flight check will be gone, and now you can go into your reading room and you can choose a book to read and listen to and take a quiz on.